and Agua.
Today we are going to be exploring this creek, which we actually haven't explored on the channel in a while. Well, maybe we have, I can't remember.
It's also freezing cold and there are icicles over there.
Yeah, there's icicles over there, and I'm going to be changing from different mounts. Well, 2 different mounts.
Because she got a new GoPro set up for Christmas, which was yesterday.
Yeah. All right, let's get the video.
Sometimes I say that I want you back, but I don't know if I do. Sometimes I think about the good days we had, but there were bad days too. And I know love is like the phases of the moon. And I know that's la la life, baby, let it be, enjoy the memory. Oh, that's la la life, that's la la life.
This is the first time I've been able to actually get okie dokie artichoke.
And I know you would say I gave up way too soon.
Remember, I'm Boomer.
I'm Agua.
And stay happy, stay healthy, stay outdoors.
And hit that notification bell and the subscribe button.
Okay, bye.